Azure SaaS questions and answers. What is Azure Active Directory used for? Answer. Azure Active Directory is a cloud-based identity and access management service that provides authentication and authorization for Azure resources, as well as integration with other SaaS applications. How does Azure DevOps help in software development? Answer. Azure DevOps is a set of development tools that enable teams to plan, develop, test, and deliver software efficiently. It includes features like version control, continuous integration, and release management. What is Azure Dynamics 365? Answer. Azure Dynamics 365 is a suite of cloud-based business applications that help organizations manage their sales, customer service, field service, finance, operations, and marketing activities. How does Azure Office 365 benefit businesses? Answer. Azure Office 365 is a suite of productivity tools that includes applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It enables businesses to collaborate, communicate, and manage their documents and emails in the cloud. What is the role of Azure Salesforce? Answer. Azure Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses manage their sales, marketing, and customer service activities. How does Azure ServiceNow assist in IT service management? Answer. Azure ServiceNow is a cloud-based IT service management (ITSM) platform that helps organizations automate and streamline their IT processes, including incident management, problem management, and change management. What are the benefits of using Azure Dropbox? Answer. Azure Dropbox is a cloud storage service that allows users to store and share files securely. It provides features like file synchronization, file sharing, and collaboration. How does Azure Box differ from Azure Dropbox? Answer. Azure Box is another cloud storage service similar to Azure Dropbox. It offers similar features like file synchronization and sharing, but with additional enterprise-level security and collaboration capabilities. What is the purpose of Azure Slack? Answer. Azure Slack is a cloud-based collaboration platform that enables teams to communicate and collaborate in real time. It provides features like instant messaging, file sharing, and integration with other tools. How does Azure Zendesk help in customer support? Answer. Azure Zendesk is a cloud-based customer support platform that helps organizations manage their customer inquiries, support tickets, and knowledge base. It provides features like ticket management, live chat, and analytics. What is Azure IoT Central used for? Answer. Azure IoT Central is a fully managed SaaS solution that simplifies the development and management of IoT applications. It provides features like device connectivity, data visualization, and remote monitoring. How does Azure Digital Twins facilitate IoT solutions? Answer. Azure Digital Twins is a platform that enables the creation of digital models of physical environments, such as buildings or factories. It helps in visualizing and analyzing data from IoT devices deployed in those environments. What is the purpose of Azure Queue Storage? Answer. Azure Queue Storage is a service that provides reliable messaging between components of distributed applications. It enables asynchronous communication and helps in decoupling different parts of an application. How can Azure Active Directory be integrated with on-premises Active Directory? Answer. Azure Active Directory can be integrated with on-premises Active Directory using Azure Ad Connect, which synchronizes user accounts, passwords, and groups between the two directories. What are the authentication options available in Azure Active Directory? Answer. Azure Active Directory supports various authentication options, including username, password, multi-factor authentication, social identity providers, such as Google or Facebook, and integration with on-premises Active Directory. How does Azure DevOps support continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD? Answer. Azure DevOps provides features like build pipelines and release pipelines, which enable teams to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. This helps in achieving faster and more reliable software releases. What are the different modules available in Azure Dynamics 365? Answer. Azure Dynamics 365 includes modules for sales, customer service, field service, finance and operations, marketing, and project service automation. How does Azure Office 365 ensure data security and compliance? Answer. Azure Office 365 provides features like data encryption, data loss prevention, and compliance management tools to ensure the security and compliance of data stored and processed in the cloud. How can Azure Salesforce be integrated with other Azure services? Answer. Azure Salesforce can be integrated with other Azure services using connectors and APIs. This enables organizations to automate workflows, synchronize data, and build custom applications. What are the key features of Azure ServiceNow? Answer. Azure ServiceNow offers features like incident management, problem management, change management, service catalog, knowledge base, and service level management. How does Azure Dropbox ensure data privacy and protection? Answer. Azure Dropbox encrypts data at rest and in transit, and provides features like two-factor authentication and access controls to ensure data privacy and protection. What are the collaboration features available in Azure Box? Answer. Azure Box offers features like file versioning, file locking, real-time collaboration, and integration with productivity tools like Microsoft Office and Google Docs. How can Azure Slack be customized for specific team requirements? Answer. Azure Slack provides a range of customization options, including the ability to create custom channels, integrate with third-party apps and services, and build custom bots and workflows. How does Azure Zendesk help in improving customer satisfaction? Answer. Azure Zendesk provides features like ticket management, automated workflows, and customer self-service portals, which help in resolving customer issues quickly and efficiently, leading to improved customer satisfaction. What are the key benefits of using Azure IoT Central for IoT solutions? Answer. Azure IoT Central simplifies the development and management of IoT applications by providing a pre-configured and scalable platform. It reduces time to market, lowers development costs, and enables remote monitoring and management of devices. How does Azure Digital Twins enable advanced analytics in IoT applications? Answer. Azure Digital Twins provides a rich data model and analytics capabilities that enable organizations to gain insights from IoT data. It allows for the creation of complex relationships and simulations to analyze data in context. How can Azure Queue Storage be used in a distributed application architecture? Answer. Azure Queue Storage can be used to decouple different components of a distributed application by enabling asynchronous communication. It helps in improving scalability, reliability, and fault tolerance. What are the different deployment options available for Azure Active Directory? Answer. Azure Active Directory can be deployed as a standalone service, integrated with Azure Ad Connect for hybrid scenarios, or used as part of Azure Ad Domain Services for legacy application support. How does Azure DevOps support agile software development methodologies? Answer. Azure DevOps provides features like agile boards, backlog management, and sprint planning tools that help teams adopt and implement agile practices like Scrum or Kanban. What are the key capabilities of Azure Dynamics 365 for sales teams? Answer. Azure Dynamics 365 for sales teams provides features like lead management, opportunity management, sales forecasting, and sales analytics to help teams effectively manage their sales processes. How does Azure Office 365 enable collaboration among team members? Answer. Azure Office 365 provides features like real-time co-authoring, shared calendars, and team sites that enable team members to collaborate on documents, schedules, and projects. How can Azure Salesforce be customized to meet specific business requirements? Answer. Azure Salesforce offers customization options like custom objects, fields, and workflows, as well as the ability to build custom applications using the Salesforce Lightning platform. What are the key features of Azure ServiceNow for IT service management? Answer. Azure Service now offers features like incident management, problem management, change management, service catalog, and service level management to help organizations streamline their IT processes. How does Azure Dropbox integrate with other productivity tools? Answer. Azure Dropbox integrates with productivity tools like Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and Adobe Acrobat, allowing users to edit and collaborate on documents directly from Dropbox. What are the security features available in Azure Box? Answer. Azure Box provides features like data encryption, access controls, and activity monitoring to ensure the security and compliance of data stored and shared in the cloud. How can Azure Slack be integrated with other collaboration tools? Answer. Azure Slack offers integration options with a wide range of collaboration tools, including project management tools, customer support platforms, and developer tools, allowing teams to streamline their workflows. How does Azure Zendesk help in measuring customer support performance? Answer. Azure Zendesk provides analytics and reporting features that help organizations measure and analyze their customer support performance, including metrics like response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction. What are the key benefits of using Azure IoT Central for device manufacturers? Answer. Azure IoT Central provides device templates, device provisioning, and device management capabilities that help device manufacturers streamline their device lifecycle management and reduce time to market. How does Azure Digital Twins enable predictive maintenance in industrial IoT applications? Answer. Azure Digital Twins allows organizations to create digital models of physical assets and simulate their behavior. This enables predictive maintenance by analyzing real-time and historical data to detect anomalies and predict failures. How can Azure Queue Storage be used for background processing in web applications? Answer. Azure Queue Storage can be used to offload time-consuming tasks from web applications by placing messages in a queue. Background processes can then retrieve and process these messages asynchronously. How does Azure Active Directory support single sign-on (SSO) for SaaS applications? Answer. Azure Active Directory provides a feature called Azure Add Single Sign-On, which allows users to sign in once and access multiple SaaS applications without having to enter their credentials again. What are the different authentication methods supported by Azure DevOps? Answer. Azure DevOps supports authentication methods like Azure Active Directory, GitHub, and personal access tokens, allowing users to securely access and interact with their development projects. Thanks for watching.